Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Today we're looking at the new entry-level Wagner W125, the wooden metal sprayer. If you're considering spraying for the first time, this is the ideal machine for small wood and metal projects. It's easy to set up, use and clean. What a transformation of an item that will be very difficult to paint with a paintbrush or a roller. Look at the detail in that. One single coat and it's completely transformed it. You can use it to change the look of outdoor furniture, create your own bespoke pieces, or upcycle almost anything. You can adjust the air cap to spray up and down, left to right, or 45 degrees to create a detailed jet. Once this was dry, I gave it a second coat, and now I think it looks fantastic. There's no brush marks, no blemishes in it whatsoever, just a true manufactured finish. Now, we really hope you've enjoyed our content. If so, please like and subscribe to see further videos.